Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. I'm going to show you what to do with candy corn. So this is something that's been going around on the internet and I'm a little late to the game, but I'm using some peanut butter cookie dough here. I think that sugar cookie dough would have definitely looked better, but I like the flavor of peanut butter better, especially if I'm going to use this kind of questionable pre-made stuff. So anyway, got that out of the fridge and just about half a bag of candy corn makes what I made. So I'm making candy corn on the cob, which I don't know, it's a little trickier than I thought it would be, just because I didn't want it to be too huge, so I had a small amount of dough in the middle, but at the same time, like, then it's hard to stick them all in there. So anyway, just fun, and I thought, okay, and then what am I going to do after this? So I'll show you a little treat there, and it's a little bit harder as it warms up to make it stick, but as you can see, like, obviously middle of corn cob is not so dark brown, so that's why sugar cookie would have been better. Anyway, and here you have it, just kind of smushing it together. I think it turned out pretty cool. I like it. Just kind of fun. And I thought, I originally, like, can you just slice it and bake it as a cookie? I think you would have to use like the entire roll to be able to do that, just because it is pretty thin on the inside. But I still didn't want it to go to waste, so I mixed it with the rest of the tube of cookie dough to add a little extra flavor component and kind of break up that super sweetness of the candy corn. I added some mini chocolate chips and then mixed it all up. Spoiler alert, you definitely want to use probably 2 tubes for as much of candy corns, because there was definitely too much in the end result, but it still tasted good. So go ahead and turn them into balls and put them on there. But you'll see the problem with this really quickly is that you don't want to actually have the candy corns mixed in, because they turn into a puddle. So I put some on top of the next blob of cookie dough, and that really did help. Still, the ones that were on the bottom, you can see, I mean, it's not bad. It just turns into basically hard glass candy. Some of it is a little bit flexible, so it's a little bit almost like caramel. I actually was pleasantly surprised. I really did like it in all the forms, just different ways, which honestly, if you want to do a glass candy, it doesn't have kind of that more offensive texture that some people don't like about candy corn. You could even make suckers with it, honestly. So I think there's a lot of potential behind candy corn, even if you don't traditionally love it. You can get it on discount after Halloween and just have fun. So make sure to check out my other videos. I've got lots of fun fall items and coming up on Christmas. So have a wonderful day.